Hey man, this trail goes to town. Yeah. Hey everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? Well, I'm at Newman Trail. Just hiked in all the way, and I'm going to end up hiking on back. So this is down here at Salt Lick Point near Valmeyer, Illinois. Newman Trailhead comes up actually in the new town of Valmeyer. There's a church with a big parking lot, and there's a trailhead there, and it comes in. It's an in and out trail, and then it interconnects in the back of the rest of the regular Salt Lick trail system. So you got Johnson Trail and Salt Lick and stuff that come up near Old Valmeyer and come north, and this is all kind of down on the north end. So anywho, I'm gonna stop rambling here and show you some slideshows of everything on the trail. Hope you enjoy. So let's check it out. Well everybody, it was a very cold, crisp hike. Hopefully you like what you've seen. So if you like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell for new videos, and I'll catch you again in the outdoors. As always, thanks for watching.